Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna show you S23 charging port. Let's go. As always, like and share and follow us for know all about the phone. At this stage we're gonna open. Obviously after eating you need to go, and you will go with the shark. We call it shark, but it's a tools for open. As you remove it to the back, slowly, don't press so much because you can cut everything. After you unscrew all the bottom, all the top, and we're gonna access to the charging port. Before we unplug the bottom plate, as you can see from the video, because there where is the charging port, but on the end you need to open even the top plate because you need to unplug the battery. Always remember to unplug the battery, guys. Better to work on a phone without running through power. This helps you to save it a lot of money on your phone, because if it's the power running through and you touch with the tweezers or stuff like that, you can get a shot for this. After that, as you can see, we try to remove it to the bottom plate. Sorry, a little bit of old, because while we do that we work as well for this. As soon as we reach this stage, we're gonna go ahead. When we reach this stage, guys, as you can see, we remove it to the SIM tray. That's very important, because if you know you cannot remove it the charging port. We unplug all the connector, we remove it that. As soon as it's done that, we're gonna plug the new one. After, you need the time for reclosing, and when it's done that, you can try before close properly. We put the original part inside, as you can see, and after check it out how to finish. Let's go. You see, we tested before the phone charge, and after I leave to you to see until the end. Let's go.